3, 4, 5. Three numbers that change the world. They are the sides of a right-angled triangle. More than 2,500 years ago, Pythagoras discovered something remarkable about them. A secret that builders, architects, and astronauts still use today. Take any right-angled triangle and build a square on each of its three sides. The area of the square on the longest side, the hypotenuse, is exactly equal to the combined areas of the other two squares added together. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 9 plus 16 equals 25 every single time. That is the Pythagoras. Now, watch this. 2 identical patterns. Perfectly boring. But slide one slightly over the other and… whoa! New patterns appear like magic. Waves, rings, spirals. Out of nowhere, these are called Moire patterns. They appear when two similar patterns overlap. The lines that line up look bright. The lines that clash look dark. As you slide the patterns, the bright and dark areas shift, creating the illusion of motion. It is used in art, security printing on currency notes, and even in scientific measurement tools. Pythagoras showed us that triangles hold mathematical perfection. Moire patterns show us that simple overlapping can create stunning complexity. 2 experiments, 1 message. In science, what you see depends on how you look. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life, hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 7498989292. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.